for this one. I'm so excited. We got Black Mirror here today. Oh, yeah. Pretty much my favorite. I guess my thing is going to make noise. I'm going to shut it off. Oh, maybe that'll make the buzzing go away. Anyways, Black Mirror. This is an oldie but a goodie. Found this off of Siki Wong. Helped me with this on Facebook. He's a wonderful person I've come across through these travels of just gonna use a fork. I don't know. Through my travels of these fidgets, fantastic world of fidgets. Hey, Black Mirror, here we come. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. So I've been bugging people for everyone who has any connections at all for the chainsaw that goes on this chariot that makes the tank. And that's chainsaw 2.0. But this is chainsaw 1.0. What did I just say? 2.0? Yes. If anybody has a 2.0, let me know. I'll buy it from you. Preferably in the copper titanium, I guess. So yes, there it is. Let's tear right into it. Here is your, of course, here it is, your Brian Nadio Sharp by Design with the purple haze all in my brain, carbon fiber handle, and the harpoon blade. Just go ahead and get in touch with Knife Center. They probably don't have this one, but they have some other ones. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm just going to say Black Mirror is my favorite. I've said it before. I'll say it again. Loudy's probably second. But, whoa, this has got some heaviness to it. I just love the dude. I love the guy on there. I love the face on there. Yes. And this guy as well. Well, so he doesn't have the face on it. So this is a chainsaw. You can see the blades of the chainsaw. I love this this screw design there. I bet that probably comes out with a fancy screwdriver of sorts. Oh my goodness, and look at that. That's their guy, but kind of like just the eyes. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Sorry about that, everybody. I'll get better. I'm looking at the thing. I need to be looking at the screen. Yes, indeed. Here's a fun way to look at it. I think the best way to look at it. We'll just get out my background here. Oh my goodness. So just love this little this guy here. Oh my gosh. So got the rounded, or it's that rounded inside on that side. These things, I guess you could wear it as a necklace if you wanted to. And away we go. Oh my goodness. It's just got a great weight to it. It's spinning smooth. The chainsaw, man, this thing would cut down some wood. Yes. Oh, I love it. The dude. Looks like the dude is crying in this one, I guess. So much fun. Oh, that's wobbly when you do that. Oh, that is so cool. These things are just art to me. Might as well just do some weighing, just for fidget's sake. That's a heavy one, 127.6. I mean, it's not as heavy as the old 218.1 Warhammer, But that's pretty heavy. Like you compare it to the Copper Rock 2, this is 67.2. Compare it to the Titanium Mini Dealer, that's the old 55.2. What else could we do? The why not? 189.5 for the Carnival. Le Carnival. That's so much fun. Anyways, how about this one? Since we're doing spinners, 72.8 on the NSF transmitter. And Le Chariot without the I wonder if I could put this on there. Probably not. It's a different mechanism. That would be so cool. 202.1 grams for that Chariot. One day I'll play you guys my song about my Chariot. It's getting recorded this summer. It's going to be excellent. So anyways, we are fifth pocket EDC. We, as in me. Turn this back on and play ourselves out. Pocket EDC. Peace, love, and fuzzy little bunnies.